Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are gonna learn how to change player name in CarX Street. If you want to change your player name in CarX Street so it fits your style better, here is how you do it. Launch open your CarX Street application on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and look for your profile avatar at the top of the screen and tap on it. This will open up the stats page where you need to click on the pencil button right in front of your current player name. Now, go ahead and enter a new name on the next page. Write down a new name for yourself and click on the free button since the first name change is free. While changing your name, make sure that your character is 14-digit long maximum. It must include alphabets with no special characters. After you click on free, you will be able to see your name changed. Next time you try to change your name, it'll cost you some points or in-game currency. So the first name change is free, you can do it for free whenever you want. But after you try to change your name again after the first one, you need to go ahead and spend some in-game currency. So that's how you easily change your name in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.